صفات بخلي رمضان كريم من صفات بخلي رمضان كريم بالقرآن بری صفات کری kata bolshe. Now I want to invite Mr. Abu Bakar to come on the stage and deliver his speech. Mr. Abu Bakar.
Start with the name of Allah, the merciful and the most powerful. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Bakar. I am 15 years old. I am a student of Diamond English Language and Computer Academy. Respected teacher, honorable guest, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today, I am very pleased for having you all in this memorable program. And it's my pleasure to stand on the stage and share my knowledge about environmental pollution. Mr. President, environmental pollution is one of the most serious problems faced by humanity today. Air, water, and soil all are harmed by this problem. Polluted air can cause illness and even death. Pollution of environmental pollution of soil can reduce environmental pollution of soil can reduce the growing of food. Everyone wants to reduce pollution in some days. But the environmental pollution is not as complete as it is serious. I want to end my speech with this word. The nade khalaq pakalam pakirandashwal. The nade khalaq pakalam pakirandashwal. The baksun mi bitu paka husar mi bi.